sections through the lower part of pons shows two cranial nerve nuclei that are closely related to the floor of the fourth ventricle. These are the abducent nucleus, lying medially, and the vestibular nuclei that lie laterally. At a deeper level in the lateral part of the reticular formation, two additional nuclei are seen. They are the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve lying laterally and the facial nucleus lying medially. The dorsal and ventral cochlear nuclei lie dorsal and ventral respectively to the inferior cerebellar peduncle. The fibers arising from the facial nucleus follow an unusual course. They first run backwards and medially to reach the lower pole of the abducent nucleus. They then ascend on the medial side of the nucleus. There, the fibers are closely related to the medial longitudinal fasciculus and finally turns forwards and laterally passing above the upper pole of the abducent nucleus. As they pass forwards, the fibers lie between the facial nucleus medially and the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve laterally. The abducent nucleus and the facial nucleus fibers looping around it together forms a surface elevation called the facial colliculus, and this is found in the floor of the fourth ventricle. The vestibular nuclei occupy the vestibular area in the lateral part of the floor of the fourth ventricle. These nuclei are to be seen in the lower parts of the pons and in the upper parts of the medulla. Other masses of the gray matter to be seen in the lower parts of the pons are the superior olivary complex, which lies dorsomedial to the lateral lemniscus, and the nuclei of the trapezoid body. Now, in the sections through the upper part of pons, the dorsal part is bounded laterally by the superior cerebellar peduncles. Medial to each peduncle, there is the main sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, and further medially, there is the motor nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. The superior olivary nucleus extends to this level, but is less prominent, while the lateral lemniscus forms a more conspicuous bundle. Some fibers of the trapezoid body can be seen ventral to the medial lemniscus.